Hello everyone, this is Joy, and this is my second video for my Sweet of the Month for April 2021. And this is the card that I will be showing you how to make in this video. It is part of the Dandy Garden Suite, starting in the mini catalog for January to June 2021 on pages 24, 25, 26, and 27. We will be using the Dragonfly Garden stamp set and the Dandy Garden Memories and More cards and envelopes, along with the Ladybug Trinkets for this card. So the Memories and More cards and envelopes for this are beautiful. They have the printed envelope with the printed flap. They are a little bit larger than an A2. They are 4 1/4 by about 6 1/4-ish. I'm not exactly 100% on those measurements, but they are already printed for you on the background. They will be available until about the end of June 2021. So if you didn't get a chance to get them before they run out of stock, then you can go ahead and use some background paper for that. We will also be using the Designer Series paper. It's a 6x6 size pack that goes along with this suite. So let's get started. First off, I want to apologize. I've got some inky fingers and hands here because my Sweet of the Month video number 1 used the Blackberry Bliss ink and I got it all over me. But you know what? That is perfectly fine because that just means that I was having fun. So let me put this aside and bring in my card base, and again, that is the envelope. Gonna fold, that's already pre-scored, so just fold that in half at the score line and use your bone folder to make a little crease. I am using a piece of the Bumblebee color of the Designer Series paper and the 2 pieces of the Mystic Moonlight. I'm using 3 different patterns, 2 of the Misty Moonlight and 1 of the Bumblebee. So first off, I am going to attach the Bumblebee striped piece. And see, it has a pretty pattern on the back as well to my card base. And I'm just going to eyeball it here. Use my other one for reference. It is approximately attached in the center of this card base. So there is that. These pieces are going to go on dimensionals to give them a little bit of extra lift and interest. I'm going to leave just a little space in between. We're going to stamp this focal piece in the Bumblebee ink using this large, narrow stamp from the Dragonfly Garden stamp set. I've gone ahead and mounted this onto my Stamparatus. And I'm going to turn this so that it will be a little bit easier to show you on camera. I'm going to bring in a piece of 1 3/4 inch by 4 3/4 inch piece of basic white cardstock. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my magnet right up here at the top. Take this out of the frame for a minute so that you can see how I'm inking this up. Bringing the ink pad to the stamp. I will also put the metric measurements as well as the imperial measurements in a document at the end of this video. So go ahead and give that a nice rub. And one of the beauties about the Stamparatus is if you don't get it as dark as you like, I think I would like that a little bit darker, you can go ahead and ink it up another time. And as long as that magnet stays where it's at and it doesn't shift, you will get that in exactly the same spot. So go ahead and give that a nice rub so that we get a nice image. Oh, that is so pretty. Now we are going to bring in a piece of bumblebee cardstock, and we are going to attach that to our bumblebee layer for this focal point. Our layer is 2 inches by 5 inches. Again, the metric measurements will be shown at the end of this video. And we want to add a little ribbon touch to this. This is the In Color Misty Moonlight for 2020 to 2022. And this will also be retiring very soon, like I think the end of April. And this is about mid-April right now, so there isn't too much longer to get this particular color. I have taken a 2-inch piece angled and about a 5-inch piece, and we're going to do what we call a faux bow. Just make a little loop like so. I'm going to do it towards one end, like all the way towards this end, and then slip this short piece underneath that loop, and then kind of give that a little pull to tighten the longer piece around the shorter piece. So this makes a nice little bow embellishment, and you can kind of work with that a little bit until you get it the way you want it. And then we are going to attach this onto our focal point at about this far up. There we are. So now we have a nice focal point. I see I have a little bit of a jagged edge, so I'm just going to bring in a little sanding block that you can pretty much pick up anywhere. I think it is a nail sanding block for your fingernails. So let's, oh, I do not need dimensionals for that piece. That is going to attach directly on. So got a little bit of glue there. I'm going to bring this focal piece in, and we only want it to be attached to the Misty Moonlight Designer Series paper. So whoop, that came off. Okay, let's bring this piece in and attach it like so. Now all we have left on this is to attach these adorable little ladybug trinkets. They are so cute. They're little brass ladybugs. We're going to use mini glue dots to attach these. So I need one. You want to make it so it looks like they're kind of marching across this card. So one about there, and another one about right in between those, and then a third one, because it is always nice to do things in groupings of 3. Three is a little more pleasing to the eye. Threes, or in odd numbers, is a little more pleasing to the eye. So there we go. Close that up so that we don't spill them everywhere. And there is our card. It was very quick and easy, made with the Memories and More cards. And there's our envelope. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. So this is video number 2 for the Sweet of the Month Dragonfly Garden, and I will see you next time. Bye!